Hi, welcome to Ono India channel. Please subscribe channel now. Travel industry converges in Bangalore as IITM 2026 opens. India's premier travel and tourism exhibition held in Bengaluru. Date 23, 24, the 25th of July 2026. Venue Tripura Vasini, Palace Grounds, Bengaluru. Timing morning 11 to evening 6. Discover destinations, build partnerships, experience IITM Bengaluru 2026. India's premier travel and tourism showcase, the India International Travel Mart, IITM, opened its doors today at the Tripura Vasini, Palace Ground. The three-day B2B and B2C event, being held from 23 to the 25th of July 2026, brings together leading names from the travel, tourism, hospitality, and aviation sectors under one roof. Organized by Sphere Travel Media and Exhibitions, the event serves as a significant platform for the travel trade industry to network, collaborate, and explore new business opportunities. With participation from over 25 Indian states and more than 25 international destinations, IITM Bangalore 2026 is showcasing a wide range of tourism products, from leisure, adventure, and wellness travel to meetings, destination weddings, and responsible tourism. As IITM celebrates its 26th anniversary this year, the occasion forms an important business platform. Travel agencies, hoteliers, tour companies, and other industry stakeholders can interact and network, resulting in collaborations, partnerships, and joint ventures. IITM features 800+ exhibitors representing over 25 international destinations and 25 Indian states, showcasing diverse travel options like pilgrimages, adventures, culture, wildlife, and more. From Indian rhinoceros to Rajasthan's festivals to Odisha's heritage sites, to Tamil Nadu's rich temple heritage, the event enriches holiday choices than ever before. The latest edition of the India International Travel Mart, IITM, opened today in Bangalore, bringing together leading tourism boards, hospitality brands, travel companies, airlines, destination management companies, cruise operators, travel technology providers, and tourism stakeholders from across India and overseas. The three-day B2B travel exhibition serves as a dynamic platform for networking, business development, and the promotion of destinations, products, and services to the travel trade as well as discerning travelers. The exhibition features participation from tourism departments of various Indian states, international destinations, hotels and resorts, airlines, cruise companies, travel technology providers, tour operators, adventure tourism companies, wellness tourism providers, travel insurance companies, and other allied tourism businesses. In his address, Mr. Rohit Hangal, Director, Sphere Travel Media and Exhibitions, said, India's travel and tourism sector continues to witness remarkable growth, driven by increasing domestic travel, expanding international connectivity, and changing traveler preferences. IITM Bangalore provides an ideal platform for destinations and travel brands to connect with the travel trade, build strategic partnerships, and showcase innovative tourism products to one of India's most significant travel markets. India International Travel Mart, Bengaluru continues to play a vital role in shaping travel aspirations and strengthening business ties between stakeholders in the tourism ecosystem. The tourism stakeholders from over 25 Indian states such as Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Chhattisgarh, and many more, along with international participants representing over 8 countries like Japan, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, UK, Nepal, Dubai, Turkey, Singapore, Bhutan, Indonesia, etc., will be seen aggressively marketing their destinations, products, and services. Sphere Travel Media Director, Sanjay Haku, added, Bengaluru has consistently emerged as one of India's strongest source markets for domestic, international, leisure, pilgrimage, and business travel. The city offers tremendous opportunities for tourism stakeholders to engage with a knowledgeable travel trade and an increasingly travel-savvy consumer base, making IITM an ideal platform for business generation. Tourism thrives on collaboration. The India International Travel Mart provides an environment where tourism boards, airlines, hotels, travel agencies, technology companies, and service providers can come together to forge new partnerships, exchange ideas, and create sustainable business opportunities that benefit the entire travel ecosystem. Exhibition highlights. The time has come to explore new destinations and enjoy the sensations of the world as the Indian passport continues to gain popularity. The IITM is a fantastic way to connect, network, and conduct business since it draws partners from all over the world. Biggest variety of holiday packages of over 1,000 destinations in India and abroad. This year, Find more than 250 exhibitors showcasing over 8 international destinations and 20 Indian tourism destinations, making it one of the highlights of your search for that perfect travel partnership. Karnataka is the host state for the event. Odisha Tourism, Kerala and Rajasthan Tourism are the partner states. Punjab, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh Tourism are the feature states. View, incredible India, with all its amazing hues and peerless vibrancy. A once-a-year opportunity for travel agents and tour operators to reach out to partners from more than 25 international destinations and over 25 Indian states. Add more to your travel portfolio. Adventure, international destinations, visas, pilgrimage, cultural pursuits, wildlife, conference, wedding destinations, pure joy. The event is on a B2B format and only open for trade, visitors only. Entry is free and registration at the site is mandatory. To watch exhibitions or videos in Ono India channel, please subscribe now.